Hi, I'm Brenda. Welcome to Nina's Hidden Apron. Welcome to our home. It's another craft project. I hope you all like these. I enjoy crafting. I may not be the best at it, but I enjoy doing it. And if it's something that I get frustrated with, I just set it off to the side until I get the confidence I need to get it done. Now, I've done these before. I like doing these. With the exception of my Waverly paint, everything's Dollar Tree stuff. This is the little flicker candles that you can get from the Dollar Tree. If you want to get a white one, you can. It just so happened that red is all they had at our local Dollar Tree. Yeah, all you need is a paintbrush. You can use a couple of these little candles. I'm going to pour my paint into this. Pour us a little paint on here. Now, as I said, I have done these before, and I really, as a matter of fact, I did a lot of them. But I really like doing this. Again, we're going to let these set, and we're going to let it completely dry, because you have to put a little pressure. Now, you can go around and pull this off, anything like that you don't want on it, or if you stick your finger in it like I just did. Or if you drop it like I just did. Okay, they're still warm. So we're going to wait until it solids up, okay? And then we'll get back to this project. So for right now, we're just going to let them sit there. Okay, I'm back. My glue is dry. Now, do you get what I'm doing? You see it a lot better now, huh? Again, I wish I could have got the white ones or the cream color ones, because they sure would have painted a lot easier. Now, you all know I've already got my paint out right here, and let's just get this up here so I can see what I'm doing. There we go. Technical difficulties, what can I say? Now, we're going to paint it. I think I'm going to try just to paint the top. I don't think I'm going to paint down inside, because it's got that little light down in there, and I really don't want to get paint on it. So. now. So I'm going to turn this around. And I'm going to scoot that over just like that. Then here's my other one. But you see why I was saying to pull this at different lengths, so that it looks like melting wax, melting candle wax. And when that dries, you're going to see a noticeable difference on it. Let me see why my phone's going off, y'all. Hang on. There we go. Now, let's take it in here. I don't think it's completely dry yet, but I want to go ahead and take it in here and put it in my little candle sconce that I got at the yard sale yesterday. Just to see how that's going to look. Isn't that cute? See? And there we go. That's that. And then of course there's one on the other side, but see that? That one's still not dry yet. But that's what I did. Made it look like the candle wax is melting down it. And it's just one of the little, let me get back up here. Whew, there we go. Just one of the little Dollar Tree candles, little flickery candles. But that's what we did today. You all take care. And we'll see you next time.